Santos here at Potentials.com, signing at our channel. So today we wrote our Potentials blog. Please read our article today. Short lang po and simple. Anyway, ang didakin natin today is the magic of plants. Yung Bible verse natin is from Isaiah 55 verse 11. So shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me empty, but shall do what pleases me, achieving for which I sent it. So friend, the one who wrote today's story is Brother Migs Ramirez, soon to be Father Migs. Ayan, let's wait for his ordination, bang tawag dyan. So, yung story ni Brother Migs today is about plantito. So, sabi niya siya daw isang late bloomer for the plantito. So, late niya na-discover that he could grow plants, no? So, this was suggested by his priest formator. So, parang to take care of plants. Kasi si Brother Migs is a go-getter, a controller and achiever. So, parang believe ni Father priest formator, this growing of plants will tame, ba ang tamang term, si Brother Migs. Kasi nga, he's very, goal-oriented. Sabi niya, to put God on the backseat of work and relationship. He do that much needed work. So, work siya ng work. God will best afterwards. So, parang yung faith ni Brother Migs is more of his ability rather than the grace of God. So, ang belief ni priest formator is he will be tamed by taking care of plants, or he will learn the lessons of the plants or the magic of the plants. So, God taught us through the plants. It will be his work, but not ours. So, di ba when you grow a plant, you can water it, you can put soil or fertilizer. Pero si God pa rin magde-decide if it will grow, it will sprout, or it will have leaves, or it will have flowers. It's God's grace, di ba? So, minsan tayo kasi parang we think, sabi nga ni Brother Migs, is gagawin niya yung work and then it's up to God to bless him afterwards. So, what the priest formator wants Brother Migs to learn is that to entrust God. Sige, do your work, but have faith in the Lord that He will bless the work of your hands. So, sabi niya, He will be the one which causes the plants to sprout and to deepen it, to grow, to have flowers, to have more leaves, and to glow as a plant. Glow, it's G-L-O. So, anong reflection natin today? What leaves has sprouted in your life without you working to achieve them? These are the gifts of God. So, minsan, friend, we think we can do everything in our capacity, in our skills, in our talents. But, yun nga, parang, Brother Migs is saying, we have to entrust the Lord for the grace that, or the blessings that He will be showering us. Father, thank you for teaching me that I do not need to control everything for it to bear fruits. Teach me to trust that you are working slowly and consistently in my life. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.